Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Educalist from India. In this lesson we are going to discuss some important questions regarding the current affairs. Let's begin with the first question. The first question is, who has started free online career skills training recently? The options are A. Google, B. Ministry of Skills and Development, C. Ministry of Employment, and D. Facebook. And the answer is Ministry of Employment. Okay, let's talk about the online career skill training. On 29th May 2020, the Union Ministry of Labour and Employment, in partnership with the TCS ION, offers free online career skill training through the National Career Service Project to enhance the corporate equity, interpersonal skills, presentation skills, and other soft skills of job seekers. The course is compiled of 9 modules, which includes how to prepare resume, enhance verbal and non-verbal communication skill, how to participate in group discussion, how to prepare presentations, equity to follow during the work-related telecalls. The modules are available in Hindi and English both language. Okay, the next question is, recently by which state has given the status of farming to the lakh as agriculture? The options are A. Chhattisgarh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Odisha, and D. West Bengal. And the answer is A. Chhattisgarh. Okay, let's talk about the Chhattisgarh. The formation of Chhattisgarh is on 1st November 2000. Capital is Raipur. Largest city is Raipur. Governor of the Chhattisgarh is Anusuya Uike. Chief Minister Bhupen Baghel. Legislature unicameral. Federal representation Rajya Sabha has 5 seats while the Lok Sabha has 11 seats. High Court is at Bilaspur. The total area of Chhattisgarh is 1,35,191 square kilometer. Area rank 9th. Population 3,21,86,262. This is according to 2020. The rank in the population is 17th, and the density of population is 240 per square kilometer. The next question is, recently an Ayurvedic medicine of COVID-19 has been made in Panchagavya, where its clinical trial will be started. The options are A. Pune, B. Mumbai, C. Rajkot, and D. Jaipur. And the right answer is C. Rajkot. In Rajkot, its clinical trial will be started. The next question is, recently Forbes has released the list of highest paid players. Who is the top player among them? The options are A. Lionel Messi, B. Roger Federer, C. Cristiano Ronaldo, and D. Neymar. And the answer is B. Roger Federer. As we know, Roger Federer is a Swiss tennis player who is ranked number 4 in world in men's single tennis by the Associations of Tennis Professionals ATP. He also has won 20 Grand Slam single titles, which is the most in a history for a male player. The next question is, which of the following is the country with the largest source of FDI in India during the financial year 2019 and 20? The options are A. Mauritius, B. Singapore, C. America, and D. Japan. The answer is B. Singapore. Let's talk about the Singapore. Singapore got independence from the United Kingdom and Malaysia on 3rd June 1959. The president of Singapore is Halimah Yacob. Prime Minister is Lee Hsien Loong. Deputy Prime Minister Heng Swee Keat. Chief Justice Sundaresh Menon, and Parliamentary Speaker is Tan Chuan Jin. The legislature type is parliamentary. Now let's talk about the next question. By how many % FDI in India has increased to $73.46 billion in the financial year 2019 and 20. The options are A 12%, B 14%, C 16% and D 18%. And the right answer is D 18%. The next question is, which state government has recently made COVID-19 negative certificate mandatory? Okay, the options are A Maharashtra, B Madhya Pradesh, C Goa and D Uttar Pradesh. And the right answer is C Goa. Let's talk about the Goa. The Goa Gate formed on 30th May 1987. Capital is Panji. Largest city is Vasco da Gama. There are 2 districts in the Goa. The governor of Goa is Satyapal Malik. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. Legislature is unicameral, in which 40 seats are there in the Legislative Assembly. Rajya Sabha has 1 seat and Lok Sabha has 2 seats. And the High Court is under the Bombay High Court, Goa bench. The area of Goa is 3,702 square kilometer. Area ranked 20th in India. Population 14,55,545 and the rank is 26th in the population. The next question is, recently NABARD has sanctioned a financial loan of 150 crores to which state? The options are A West Bengal, B Manipur, C Jharkhand and D Odisha. And the correct answer is A West Bengal. Let's talk about the West Bengal. West Bengal get established on 26 January 1950. Capital is Kolkata. Largest city Kolkata. Government is also unicameral. Okay, the governor is Jaideep Dhankar. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Legislative Assembly which has 295 seats. High Court is at Kolkata and the Chief Justice is Thottathil Radhakrishnan. The area of West Bengal is 88,752 square kilometer. Area wise rank 13th. The population is 9,13,47,736. The rank is 4th and the density of population is 129 per square kilometer. Okay, let's talk about the next question. Recently, who has chosen as the new CMD, Chief Managing Director or Chairman and Managing Director of PFC? The options are A Ravindra Singh Dhillon, B Marcos Trios, C Suman Gavani and D Girija Garg. And the right answer is A Ravindra Singh Dhillon. Let's talk about the PFC, Power Finance Corporation. It's a public sector undertaking. It's a financial service. Okay, it's a financial service company which founded on July 1986. Headquarters is in New Delhi, India. Okay, the key peoples. Ravindra Singh Dhillon is a chairman and managing director. NB Gupta is the director finance. PK Singh is the director of commercial. And the products are rupee term loan, foreign currency loan and short term loan. Services are financial consulting, financial products, investment, banking, loan management, linkage management. This is all about the PFC. The next question is, recently in which state a new species of fish, Puntius sanctus, has been founded? The options are A Tamil Nadu, B Maharashtra, C Gujarat and D Andhra Pradesh. The answer is A Tamil Nadu. Let's talk about the Tamil Nadu. It get formed on 1st November 1956, which is also known as the Tamil Nadu Day. The capital is Chennai. There are 38 districts in the Tamil Nadu. The governor is Banwarilal Purohit. Chief Minister Edapadi Palaniswamy. Deputy Chief Minister O Paneerselvam. Legislature is unicameral, in which Legislative Assembly has 234 seats, Lok Sabha has 39 seats and Rajya Sabha has 18 seats. The total area of Tamil Nadu is 1,30,058 square kilometer. Area wise rank 10th. The population of Tamil Nadu is 7,21,47,030. Population wise rank is 6th and the density is 550 per square kilometer. Let's talk about the next question. Which bank recently bought a 24.19% stake in Dish TV? The options are A. Bank of India, B. S Bank, C. ICICI Bank and D. IDFC Bank. And the right answer is B. S Bank. Let's talk about the S Bank. Yes Bank get founded on 2004. Founders are Rana Kapoor and Ashok Kapoor. Headquarter is in Mumbai. Key people. Now Prashant Kumar is the MD and CEO, who is former Chief Financial Officer of SBI. Prashant Kumar is the MD and CEO. This is all about the S Bank. Let's talk about the next question. Who has been appointed as Additional Secretary in the Prime Minister's office recently? The options are A. Dr. Harshvardhan, B. C. Sridhar, C. Meera Mohanty and D. S. Gopal Krishna. And the right answer is S. The next question is, recently for which state the government of India accepted 445 crore under the Jal Jeevan Mission? And the options are A. Maharashtra, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Bihar and D. West Bengal. And the answer is B. Chhattisgarh. We already know about the Chhattisgarh. Let's talk about the Jal Jeevan Mission. The Jal Jeevan Mission envisages supply of 55 liters of water per person per day to every rural household through functional household tap connections by 2024. The Jal Jeevan Mission focuses on integrated demand and supply side management of water at the local level. The mission is based on community approach to water and included extensive information, education and communication as a key important of the mission. Jal Jeevan Mission looks to create a Jan Andolan for water, thereby making it everyone's priority. Okay, let's talk about the next question. Recently, who has launched first national artificial intelligence AI portal of the government of India? The answers are A. Narendra Modi, B. Amit Shah, C. Piyush Goyal and D. Ravi Shankar Prasad. And the answer is D. Ravi Shankar Prasad. Let's talk about the national AI portal. The Union Minister for Electronics and IT, Law and Justice and Communication, Ravi Shankar Prasad, launched India's national artificial intelligence portal called www.ai.gov.in. This portal has been jointly developed by the Ministry of Electronics and IT and the IT industry. National E-Governance Division of the Ministry of Electronics and IT and the NESCOM from the IT industry will jointly run this portal. Okay, let's talk about the next question. The next question is, recently BCCI has nominated which player for the 2020 Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? The options are A. Rohit Sharma, B. Virat Kohli, C. Ishant Sharma and D. Shikhar Dhawan. And the answer is A. Rohit Sharma. Let's talk about the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Puraskar or award. It is awarded for the highest sport honor in India, sponsored by the Government of India. Reward is 7,50,000 rupees. First awarded in 1991-92, last awarded in 2019. The most recent viewers in 2019 are Deepa Malik and Bajrang Punia. Total awarded for 38 peoples, and the first winner of the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is Vishwanathan Anand. And now Rohit Sharma get nominated by the BCCI for the 2020 Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. So thank you all guys. If you like this video, then please like our video. Okay, and please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.